Hey everyone, this is me, Chris Bell. I have a master's in IT with a focus in web design. I'm going to show you a couple simple things today with HTML and CSS. I created this little notepad right here with a couple things in it. Let's just go like that though. Start fresh with a paragraph, end paragraph, and let's say hello world. Control save, and what you do is you save this onto your desktop with .html. And then you open up your browser and you drag it straight in, and boom, hello world. Let's put a link. You start a tag around exactly what you want, end a tag, and then you throw in href equals. Boom, and you put your URL right here. That's not good enough. We'll save this, and it will still create what looks like a link over here. But this isn't going anywhere. Okay, it is going somewhere. It's telling you down here that you're going to URL, but there's no dot. Some websites might take off the HTML, but they're still HTML pages. So this is going to now go to .html. Now you're actually sending this to .html, but where is it? So you hover over this now, and you can see at the bottom left of this browser, it is url.html. So let's go ahead and open a new notepad and make a paragraph, end paragraph. This is the URL page. And we shall save as to desktop. This is exactly how I saved this one. To my desktop, you go all files and url.html. The URL part doesn't matter as long as you're calling it right in this notepad, but the HTML does matter. You need that. So it's going to pop right over here onto my desktop. There it is. Now I have both pages, and I can click this link and it goes to this page. It's going to it even on my desktop. I'm not doing anything special here. I'm just dragging notepads into my browser, and you can play with this stuff directly in HTML code. So now let's try an image. Let's start a new paragraph. So it's going to drop down a little bit. We're going to throw an image in there, src equals, close it. Alright, so I have an image on my desktop as well, and I know that's a JPEG. You have to call it by this correct path right here. So if I change this to demi-1 or 2, you have to put that exact path in here. And if it's in a folder, then you put a slant. So if this was in a folder called folder, I would have folder slant and then the name of it with that. But I don't. It's in the same exact thing as the notepad, so I will save that. And it should pop right up on here, not on the URL page, on the test page. I need to go back. Boom. There she is. So now we want to create a link around this, and we'll go straight to the URL page as well, which is exactly the same thing we have right here. And you're going to surround this image, not the paragraph, not one inside, one outside. They should both be here. Let's do it like this. There's your image. There's your start paragraph and end paragraph. You can easily see that. And then you can easily see how this link is going to start right here. It's going to go around the image, and then you're going to end it directly after end A, like that. So you can surround it so it looks nicer, but that, without looking confusing, is exactly what you're doing inside the paragraph, putting a link right around the image, save it, and boom, you have a link. Go to the URL page again. And you can just click back. Okay, so you have two different pages here. Normally this would be something like a home page, and you make your entire home page right here. You center these things, so paragraph style equals text dash align center. Save, refresh, and then you can center the image as well in the same exact thing in this paragraph. So there's lots of different things that you can do to play around with this stuff though, and see what you can do. But that's how you set up a link to an image and a link to a different page. You just have to have the second page in order to link to something. Otherwise, the link is going nowhere if you only have one page. Good luck out there.